Hello and welcome. This is a demo usage and installation of my personal project SimpleAPITestInterface. All commands and web links or websites are provided in the description. First, installation. Go to the website, go to downloads and download the zip file. You can unzip it. After unzipping, we're done it here. You should have these files. Now you need to download the dependencies for the project. Package.json, open that, and here it is. These are the dependencies. You can install them by opening your console, terminal, whatever you might have, and simply do npm install. This will reach the package.json and install all the dependencies. Meanwhile that happens, the commands available to the tester, programmer or user is lint, and fix and test under the script section. These three, lint and fix, are using ESLint, so unless you're editing the code you don't need to use these. The only one we can use is test to actually run the code or execute it. It has downloaded, and if you go here, node modules comes in. That's where all your downloaded files are. It's a local install, so all of the dependencies are installed in that one folder and are not accessible outside the project, so your project is safe. So let's run npm run test, and if you run this without any arguments, it will simply say no arguments provided. Provide help as an argument to get more details. Let's provide help, and it shows up a neat little help message. A couple of things to keep in here: the following commands are mentioned, which commands are available. You can use the keyword all to execute all test suites, where the suites are located, and this is with respect to your main project folder. So under test suites, this is the main project root. Under test suites, you will have your suites available. It also mentions here, if you need to update the site, you can go to the libs file and update that there. Let's do a demo run first. So we can do list. Here's a fun little thing. If you open the suites folder, there's an HTML file. It only mentions JavaScript. Only JavaScript files are detected, so you can be safe. You can put whatever you want in under the suites folder. You only pick up the JavaScript files and only execute those files that have or use Mocha keywords. So let's run two of them. And it ran. We can also use the all keyword and report to generate an HTML report. So I will just rerun the same command with report. Here's a quick demo, and there you go. Now it only has two endpoints. We only pinged two endpoints. So if you open here, this is the HTML report. See, login and registration, and that's it. That's the end. There's nothing more. User was one of the files, right? Users report. This will simply overwrite the HTML file. See, right now, earlier it had login and registration. Now if you reopen it, users and nothing else. We can reload the same file. It will change to the new checks we have made.